Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Frank Puzzles, and this is today's challenging level puzzle, and it's called Give Me a 45, and you shall see why soon, and it's by MD88 Keys, or as I like to call them, Dr. Piano. Here are the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit from 1 through 9, such that there are no repeats in any row, column, or designated 9-cell region. Digits on a thermometer increase from the bulb to the tip. So you could have something along the lines of, say, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9. That would be valid because it's always increasing from the bulb to the tip. What you could not have, though, is something like, say, 2, 4, 6, 5, and 9, because it's decreasing from the 6 to 5 here, and it must be always increasing going from the bulb to the tip. So that's an example of how thermometers work. And we have digits in cages do not repeat and sum to the number given. And you'll see all the cages add up to 45, which is why this rule set is called Give Me a 45, or this puzzle, I should say, is called Give Me a 45. So obviously that's going to be the digits 1 through 9 in each of these cages to add up to 45. Anyways, those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay, let's start with the long thermometers. Look at what each can be, from going from the bulb to the tip, and then back from the tip to the bulb, looking at the largest they can be, and that will give us some information. So we have 1 here at minimum, 2 is this is greater than that, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at minimum. So this has to be 8 or 9. This is less than that, so 7 or 8, 6 or 7, 5 or 6, 4 or 5, 3 or 4, 2 or 3, or 1 or 2. Interesting. Okay. What about this one? This could be at most 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 9 at most, 8 at less than that. 7, 6, 5, 4. So 1 through 4, 2 through 5, 3 through 6, 4 through 7, 5 through 8, or 6 through 9 there. This cannot be 8, because if this were 8, that would force this to be 9, and that would eliminate all possibilities for that cell. So with no 8 here, no 7, no 6, no 5, no 4, because these must be smaller than the previous digit that we had. Okay. So these 6 digits here in box 2 must be the same as these 6 digits in this cage. Okay, so this digit here cannot be any of these digits in this cage. So it has to be one of these 2 digits there. Interesting. These 2 digits cannot be any of these digits in box 2, and can't be any of these digits here. We know this one is one of these, and the one of these has to be here, and the other one has to be here. Because they can't be here, they can't be these, and these 3 digits are guaranteed to then be in this cage, be here and here. So we'll make this light and dark. So this is going to be light or dark, and this is light or dark. Which means these 3 digits have to be here. So we have pink, orange, and blue here. That's going to match pink, orange, and blue there. So then these 3 digits have to be match those 3 digits there. That's interesting. Huh. Very interesting. So we have green, red, and yellow. Green cannot be here or these digits. Red and yellow cannot be here, cannot be in the cage, so red and yellow have to be a pair there. This is green, red, and yellow, obviously. So one of these is going to have to be dark or light. And the other digit has to be green. Huh. Green cannot be this digit here. Huh, okay. You have these 4 digits must be the same as those 4 digits. Okay. Blue is going to have to be there. We don't know. This is going to be some combination of light, medium, or dark. And then we have the other light, medium, or dark here with pink and orange. Right. This has to be at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 at most. This can't be 8, or this could be 8. 7, 6, 5. So 1 through 5, 2 through 6, 3 through 7. Those are all the possibilities. This could be light if this is 2. Yellow or red has to be 1 through 5. So one of these is going to be 1 through 5, which means we have 5 cells in box 2, which must be 1 through 5. Right? We have these 4, which must be 1 through 5, and 1 of red or yellow must be 1 through 5. That eliminates 1 through 5 in the rest of the box, so this can't be 5. It's 6. That makes it 7, 8, and 9. So no more 9 here. This can't be 9, 8, or 7. So this digit must be smaller than that. So no 6, 7, or 8. This is smaller than that. No 5, 6, 7. No 4, 5, 6. No 3, 4, 5. So red or yellow is 1 or 2, which eliminates 1 and 2 in the rest of the box. So this cannot be 1 or 2. It's 3. That makes that 4. That's 5. 3 then has to be the same as gray. And it has, for this cage here, it has to be here. That eliminates 3 in the rest of this box here because we are guaranteed a 3 here. That means this can't be 3. This is 2. This can't be 2. It's 1. So the red or yellow is 1. That means this must be 2 here. And this is light. So not green. It's not dark. Light is here. That eliminates light in the rest of the box. So this can't be light. This becomes a dark medium pair, which eliminates dark and medium in the rest of the box. Or sorry, dark, yes, dark and medium. So this is green. So we know green is here. This becomes light is here, so that eliminates light from the rest of the row. So 1 is one of these. And 1 is going to be the smallest here. So therefore, this must be 1. This has to be 7, 8, or 9. This is 7, 8, or 9. So this must be 1 with 7, 8, or 9 here. This can't be 9. So the next digit here, it could be 7 at minimum, because 4, 5, and 6 are here. 4, 5, and 6 are here. This can't be light. So where is the light in this box, or this cage? It has to be here. So that's 2. And then this becomes 3 with 7, 8, or 9 here. We don't know which. This is 7, 8, or 9 there. This is also 7, 8, or 9 there. So this must be either 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 9, or 1, 8, 9 as possibilities. We don't know what the other things there are. 7 and 8 eliminates 7 and 8 here, so it's 9. That eliminates 9 there, so this is 8 and 7 for this thermometer to work. So dark is 9. So this must be a 3, 9 pair. That eliminates 3, 9 in the rest of the box. So this can't be 9, it's 7 or 8. These can't be 9, it's 1, 7, 8 there. What else do we have? We have pink and red, orange here, so this has to have 4 and 5. Where is 7 in this cage? Cannot be here or here because it sees that 7 there. These are in the same column. This is in the same box. Cannot be here because of 7 in the column there, so 7 has to be there. So this is 4, 5 with 3 or 9 there. 8 cannot be here. So 8 in this cage has to be one of these 2 digits. Okay, remaining digits in column 5, or column 6, are 1 through 4. So then this can no longer be 4. If this is 4, that guarantees this is 3, 2, 1. Which would eliminate all possibilities for that cell there. So this can't be 4, which means this has to be greater than that, so it must be 5, that must be greater than that, it must be at least 6. So 9, where is 9 in row 9? It has to be in this cage here. That eliminates 9 in the rest of that cage. So no 9 there. We have 8 guaranteed here. This can't be 7. So this is at most going to be a 6 here. This is less than that, so 5, 4, and 3. This must be at minimum 1. This is greater than that, so 2, 3, and 4. So this is 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 7 is going to be one of those 3 digits there. So these digits cannot contain 7, 8, or 9. Which means these are 1 through 6. No 2 here. What else do we have? Remaining digits in column 5, we have 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. No 7 here because of 7 in the row. Where is the 9 in this 45 cage here? Cannot be here because of 9's in the columns. Can't be here. So 9 has to be one of these 4. Which eliminates 9 in the rest of the column, so this can't be 9 here. 8 can't be here because of 8 in the box. Where is 8? In this cage here. Can't be here because of 8 in the box. Can't be here because of 8 in the row. So 8 has to be one of these 2 digits, which means this can't be 8. Well, where are 8 and 9 then in this cage? 8 can only be here now. 9 can't be here anymore, so 9 has to be there. So this is 8 and 9 as a pair. Where is 7 in this cage? It can only be one of these 2 cells, which means where is 7 in row 9? It can only be here because it can't be here anymore. So this is 7, which forces this to be 8. That eliminates 7 and 8 here, so that's 1. So 1 must be yellow, and this cannot be yellow here, it's red. We don't really need the coloring anymore, actually, I feel. Yeah, let's remove the coloring. It's not going to be helpful. Oops. Okay. 1 and 2 eliminate 2 here. We have this digit must be greater than that, so this can't be 3. We have a 4-5 pair in column 4, which eliminates 4 and 5. Sorry, column 3, which eliminates 4 and 5 in the rest of the column. So no 4, 5 there. It's 6. That eliminates 6 there. Remaining digits in column 3 are 1, 2, 7, 8. No 8 here, no 8 here because of 8's in a row. No 7 here because of 7 in the row. Remaining digits of column 4. Remaining, we have a 5, 6 pair and a 7, 8 pair, so it's 1, 3, 4, and 9 remaining. 9 cannot be here and here. 1 eliminates 1 here. There's no 1, 7, or 8 here. It's 5 or 6. 2 eliminates 2 there. We are guaranteed a 9 in this cage here. That eliminates 9 from the rest of the cage. So where is 9 in box 4? Can't be in the cage. Can't be here because of 9 in the row. Can't be on the thermometer. So then 9 has to be here. Okay. This digit has to appear somewhere in box 4, but it can't be in the cage. Can't be on the thermometer here, so then it has to be here, which means it's 7. So this is 7, which makes that 7 there. That means this can't be 7 there. It's 8, which makes that 7 and 8. Remaining digits of row 2 are 2, 6, 3, and 9. No 9 here because of 9 in the column. Remaining digits. So these digits cannot have to appear somewhere in this cage. And they have to be then one of these 3 digits. Well, 5 is never one of those digits, so this can't be 5, which means this has to be 4 and 3 there. That eliminates 3 and 4 in the rest of this box. So this becomes a 1, 2, 5, 6 quadruplet. No 1, 2 here because of 1, 2 in the column, so it's 5, 6 is a pair. No 5, 6 here because of 5, 6 in the box, and this can't be 8, so therefore this must be 8 here. That eliminates 8 in the rest of the column, so this can't be 8 or 7. This is a 1, 2 pair. That eliminates 1, 2 in the rest of the box, so this can't be 1 or 2. It's 3. That makes this 4, 5, and 6. That eliminates 6 there, so it's 5. 1, 2, 5, 6 eliminates 1, 2, 5, 6 in the rest of the cage, so this is 3, 4, 9. That eliminates 3, 4, 9 in the rest of the column, so this can't be 3 or 4. It's 1. 1 eliminates 1 there, so it's 2 and 1. 1 eliminates 1 there, so that's 3 or 4 as a pair. That leaves the remaining digits in row 6 as 1 and 2. So this has to be a 1, 2 pair. That eliminates 1 and 2 in the rest of the box. Well, where is 8 now in this cage? It can only be here. It can't be here, can't be here, can't be here. That means 9 has to be in this cage here. No 3, 4, 5 here because of 3, 4, 5 in the row, so that leaves that as a 6. No 6 here. That leaves this as a 9. No more 9 there, so 9 is one of those two. That leaves a 3, 4, 5 triplet in row 5, which eliminates 3, 4, 5 in the rest of the row, so no 5 there, it's 6, no 6 there, it's 5. 5 eliminates 5 there, so it's 6, which makes that 5. Okay. No 3 or 4 here. That leaves a 1, 2 pair remaining in row 9. 1, 2 as a pair eliminates 1, 2 in the rest of the column. So no 1, 2 here. It's 3. That must be greater than that. So we have 4, 5, and 6. This must be 1, 2, 7 remaining in this cage. 127 eliminates 127 in the rest of the column, so no 2 or 6 here. That leaves that as a 3. 3 eliminates 3 there, so it's 9 and 3. 5 Oh, we have a problem. That's 4 and 5. Ooh. Shoot. I messed up. I don't know how. Shoot. Ah. 3, 4 as a pair eliminates 4 there, so it's 5, which makes that 4. Oh, this could be 8 here. 7 eliminates 7 here. Yeah, okay, I messed that up. Apologies for that. Remaining digits of column 2. We have 6, 7, 8, 9. No 7 or 9 here. 8 here eliminates 8 here. So this is 6, which makes that 8. No 8 here. No 6 or 8 here. It's 7, 9 as a pair. That leaves this as 1, 2, 5. Because again, 3 and 4 have to be here. So this is 3, which makes this 4. That means this can't be 4. It's 5 and 4 there. That leaves that as 6, so that's 5 there. 5 eliminates 5 there, so it's 6 and 5. Apologies for that. That was a pretty big mess up. 1 and 2 eliminate 1 and 2 in the rest of the row, so this is not 1 or 2, it's 8. Yeah, that was a pretty bad mess up. 1, 2, and 5 eliminate 1, 2, and 5 in the rest of the cage. So this is 3, 4, 9 as a triplet. That eliminates 3, 4, 9 in the rest of the column. So no 3, 4 there. It's 1. That eliminates 1 there. So it's 3 and 4. No more 8 or 9 there. So that still leaves this as 8. 2 eliminates 2 there. 1 eliminates 1 there. 5 eliminates 5 there. So it's 1, which makes this 2, which makes that 5. 2 eliminates 2 there. So it's 1. So this can no longer be 1 here. It's 2 or 3. No more 4 there because of 4 in the row. We have a 3, 4 pair here. That just leaves 1 and 5 remaining in row 6. That eliminates 1 and 5 in the rest of the box. No 3 or 4 there. That leaves that as 6. Okay. This has to be 1, 2, or 3 because of remaining digits in row 9. Remaining digits of column 1 are 2, 3, and 6. Okay. That leaves this digit as a 9. So no more 9 there. 6 is going to have to be not in this cage. So where is it in box 9? It has to be here. So that's 6, which eliminates 6 here. This is a 2, 3 pair. That eliminates 2 and 3 in the rest of the box. So this is 6. Okay, remaining digits now are 2, 3, and 4 here. No 6 here, no 6 here. Where is the 6 in row 2? It has to be here. Okay. This 2, 3 cannot be in the rest of column 9, so where is it in this cage? It has to be here. So we have a 2, 3, 2, 3 pair in row 9, which eliminates 2 and 3 in the rest of the row, so no 2, 3 there, it's 1. That eliminates 1 in the rest of column 6. Well, where is 1 available now in this cage? It can only be here. So it must be 1 there. That's 5. That eliminates 5 in the rest of the cage here. So 5 in box 9 cannot be in the cage. It has to be here then. That's 5, which eliminates 5 there. We have a 3, 4 pair in row 3 now, which eliminates 3, 4 in the rest of the row. So no 3 here. It's 9. No 9 here. It's 3. That makes that not 3, so it's 2. This can't be 2 or 3. It's 9. No 3, 4, or 9 here now, so it's 5. 2 cannot be any of these cells here, so where is it in this cage? It must be there, which makes that 3, which makes that 2. So no more 2 here. We have a 3, 4 pair in column 6, which eliminates 3, 4 in the rest of the column. So this is now 2. No more 2s here. 1 eliminates 1 here. So then this does become 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 and 4 eliminate 3 and 4 here, so that's 9. No more 9 here. 9 eliminates 9 here, so this is 7 and 9. That leaves this as a 7 and this as a 1. No more 2 here or here. 4 eliminates 4 there, so that's 3 and 4. 3 and 4 eliminate 3 and 4 there, so it's 2, not 1. 4 eliminates 4 there, so it's 3 and 4. 4 eliminates 4 here in this cage, so this is 3, which makes that 4, which makes that 3, and that's 4. Yeah, apologies for this portion here. That was a pretty major mistake. I don't even know how I did that. I don't know. Yeah, pretty cool. Nice setting. It was pretty straightforward, I feel. Maybe, yeah, it's a touch more difficult than easy. I don't know if I would equate it with challenging level, though. I feel like the logic is it's pretty straightforward throughout. I guess the tricky part was this section here, right? Which is saying red and yellow had to be one of those. But that was really the only tricky part. And even then, I wouldn't say that that was that tricky. So. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this solve, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.